When my first love tells me goodbye, I grin and dance until midnight, not for sake of preserving my happiness, but because dancing is a gift. Running into the night, I twirl amongst the stars.
That's how it feels sometimes. All of us just trying to shout ourselves into some kind of existence.
I think most of these differences are like personality stuff.
It's like kind of your backup side.
It's a Christmas story. Like all of it.
Think about the way that the selection of details of setting is contributing to the emotional atmosphere here.
Yeah.
Does it ever come back? Rationally, none of what we have is real.
My name is my legacy, a testament to the time when the world jump-started, when the amethyst moon was rising in the clean Nairobi night, and through the window my mother said she saw God.